just going to do a quick recap of the things we talked about in the lab today. Okay, so let's first draw a little sketch of what the graph should have looked like. So I should have my force of gravity on the y-axis because that's what we measured, making it the dependent variable. The unit for that is newtons. Okay, and along the x-axis, that means we're going to have mass. And here's the tricky thing. Convention says that we should measure mass in kilograms. We were getting all these numbers in grams, especially from the scale, but you should have converted them to kilograms. Just a quick reminder, a kilogram is 1,000 grams. So if you had something that was, 200 grams, then you would say that it was 0.2 kilograms. Okay? You should have gotten a linear equation, okay? Our data makes a really nice, pretty line if you measured well. So let's go ahead and build our equation, okay? So we would normally say y equals mx plus b, but we don't care about those generic y's, generic x's. We want to use our actual variables. So we're going to say f of g equals our slope times our independent variable, which in this case is m. Okay, great. We need to figure out our slope. You should have gotten a value very close to slope 9.81. Now what's the unit? We need to do our rise over run. So our rise is newtons, and our run is kilograms. There's another way to calculate a newton, okay? Another way to write it, and that is kilograms times meters per second squared. So if I divide that again, like I am over here with kilograms, and simplify it, then I am left with meters per second squared as my unit. So our slope should have been 9.81 meters per second squared. Great. Does anybody know what that value is? That's gravity. Gravity. Fantastic. Let's write it in. There's a symbol for that, and it's little g. So our formula should be Fg equals Gm, or Fg equals mg. Now you were using other vocabulary when you said you were looking for the force of gravity, right? You weren't just saying, oh, we're going to measure the force of gravity on this object. You often were saying, we need to find the weight. So just so you know, Fg, that is also an object's weight. Okay? I think that about covers it. Oh, you needed to also calculate for this lab percent error, okay? So percent error from the accepted value of gravity. So here's how you do that. Okay, wait. Oh my God, if I start writing. So we want to figure out percent error. How you do that is you take the absolute value of the accepted number subtract away the one you measure, absolute value of that subtraction, divided by the accepted value. And you multiply this whole thing times 100 and express it as a percent. Okay? So if you got, say, 10 meters per second instead of 9.81, you would write 9.81 minus 10, so the difference between those two, divided by 9.81, which is board's not cooperating. Hopefully that answers all of your questions about the lab. Remember, if lab report is due Friday by midnight, Okay? Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.